Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer files between iPhone devices. Here I have iPhone XR and here is iPhone 14 Pro, and you can do this on any other iPhone 14 and any other iPhone basically. So first of all, let's get the same app on both of the devices, the one that I just removed, and just to show you how to get it. Open up the App Store on both of the devices and click on the search right here, find Send Anywhere. It's this app right here. Click on this cloud with the arrow pointing down. Do the same thing on the other iPhone because we need the same app on both of them. And where's the App Store on this one? When it's ready, open it. There'll be lots of permissions which you need to allow, so just click on allow basically for everything, and do the same thing on this iPhone. Right here, because I accidentally clicked on not allow, but actually we can get through that, I think. Yeah, so when you allow all of the permissions, you'll be able to pick photos, videos, contacts and files. So that basically means you can move anything from this iPhone to this one. Now let's select the contacts in this example and one of the files that we have right here and this contact. When you picked everything that you want to send, click on the send. Here, go for receive. Now you should see the code right here. There's also QR code and share link. I'll be using the normal digit code, so let's insert it right here. Click on receive. And now we should receive all of the files. Here we can view this video or add the contact to our mobile list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.